Hi, I'm Sarah and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this look by just using my everyday makeup. I'll be doing these videos every single Sunday in October, so please give them a like if you'd like to continue seeing them. Don't forget to subscribe and press that notification bell so you're notified on when I upload. If you'd like to know how I got this look by just using my everyday makeup, then continue watching. I just want to start off saying that I'm not a makeup artist, but I do like playing around with makeup. So if you're wanting a look that's fairly easy to do, then this is probably the best way of doing it. I'm just going to tuck my hair back with a headband and pop on some primer. I'm basically going to start off the base of my face like I would do with any makeup. So just primer, concealer and foundation, and then do my eyebrows. So now that the base of my makeup is finished, I'm going to be contouring. I'm going to be contouring with this dark brown eyeshadow because I want it to be over the top and out there contouring, just so it is very dark. Also, I'm going to contour on my cheekbones, under my lip and on my nose. So now that I've finished contouring with the darkest eyeshadow, I'm now going to go with a lighter brown and just kind of like go around the areas and blend it in a bit. So it's now time to do the eyes. I'm going to get a light brown using a fluffy brush or a blending brush, just cover my whole eyelids and also do the bottom of my eyes as well. So now I'm going to go in with a darker brown, pretty much do the same thing as before, just don't take the colour as high. So I'm popping it on my eyelids and then also putting it on underneath my eyes as well. So now I'm going to be using a black and pretty much do a similar thing as I did again, just shadow around the whole eye, so on the eyelid and under the eye, but I'm going to be using a very small brush this time so I can be intricate. So now that I've finished with the black, I'm just going to lightly blend it up. And now using a nice shiny bronzy colour, I'm just going to highlight under my eyebrows. I'm just going to finish the eyes with some eyeliner. You can use fake lashes if you want more of a dramatic eye look, but I'm just going to use mascara, so I'm going to pop some on the top and the bottom of my lashes. So now I'm just going to tidy up a bit under my eyes using the leftover foundation on my foundation brush, but I'm also going to be using it on my lips just to make them one colour and to blend them into my skin and my face. So now it's time for the nose, so I'm just going to get a regular black eyeliner and start marking roughly of where the shadow of my nose should be. And now I'm going to colour it in. So now that I've finished colouring the part of my nose, I'm just going to get a brush and get some black eyeshadow and just basically cover all of the bit I've coloured in, but then kind of go slightly around the edges to create a shadow. So now onto the lips. I'm just getting a black eyeliner and filling in the middle of my lips, just so that you can see it ever so slightly when I close my mouth. Now I'm going to create a line on both the sides of my mouth to kind of create a smile look. Now I've finished that, I'm just going to be doing some lines going down. So now with a thin brush I'm going to get some black eyeshadow and basically like do the shadows above and below my lips of the lines. Again, I'm going to get the fluffy brush with a bit of black on it and just lightly dab that around to create more of a shadow. So I'm going to be using the thin brush and black eyeshadow again just to extend the lines on each side of my mouth, but making sure that they're a little bit lighter. Then once I've done that, I'm just going to do some more lines and then again make sure they're a little bit lighter than all the other ones. That's the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I'm going to be uploading videos like this every Sunday at 7 PM all the way through October. I hope you have an amazing rest of the day and I will see you soon. Bye!